Well, hello and welcome to Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this episode, I've been working really hard on all the rolling stock that I recently purchased, so check it out. Started to upgrade some of my freight cars and cabooses with metal wheels and metal knuckle couplers. Some of them are mostly needed to adjust the height on it because they already had the metal wheels and knuckle couplers. I used the KD208 red insulated fiber washers. Just put it underneath in here. Brings up the height a little bit. Others, I just changed the plastic wheels to metal. My caboose for the Rio Grande put new wheels, washer to bring it up to height. The caboose is missing one of its ladders. So what I did was I took some wire, cut pieces off it, kind of shaped it into the way the original one was, cut little steps, and I soldered it all together. Process took a long time, so I didn't get it on film, but it does fit. This one, a lot more work to be done on that one. I removed the pegs, put some screws in here, new wheels. Nope, this one actually had metal wheels. Incorrect with that one. New couplers. Didn't have to put washers to bring it up height. So I have similar one in this Rio Grande. Gonna show you how I did it. You get a screwdriver. I'm gonna take these pegs out. After removing the pegs, I worked on removing hook and horn couplers from the trucks. So you need to cut this coupler off, this hook and horn off. Using my snippers, I clipped it off. And clean up the sharp pieces. Did the same process for the second truck. Got myself some set of 33 metal wheels. They're pretty simple, you just slide it right back in. So I had to fill this hole in, that hole in. I used a polystyrene rod in order to do that, the same diameter as the hole. Use the sandpaper to take the edge off. Place the rod in the hole and then mark the height where I need to cut it. Add a little CA. Place the polystyrene piece in the hole and forced it down until it was flush. Drill the 1/16 hole, tapped for a 256 screw. Then screw the trucks in place. The last thing I did was worked on attaching the coupler boxes, using a little polystyrene to bring up the height. I used a little CA and then fastened it with a screw. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.